AgTexas Farm Credit Services and Bushel have partnered to give farmers and ranchers a simpler way to manage loans, access funds, and make payments conveniently online. Here's how it works. Open your Bushel business account provided by the Bancorp Bank N.A., member FDIC. Get access to your digital wallet through Bushel's farm management software. Connect and manage your AgTexas loans. Once connected, you can view loan details like principal balance, available credit, interest rate, and more. Make loan payments at any time from connected bank accounts. Eligible borrowers can request loan disbursements online, giving you another way to manage your operation without added paperwork. More benefits? When you open your Bushel business account, you're getting access to the bank account built for the American farmer. No monthly fees or minimum balance. Leave money in your account and watch your balance grow with competitive interest. Spend your balance instantly with a Bushel Gold Visa debit card and earn 1% back on all eligible purchases. Plus, your money is secured with FDIC insurance up to $5 million through sweep program banks. Your account also gives you access to more cash management tools. Complete seamless, secure transfers between connected accounts. Request and send payments from others in the Bushel network. And deposit large checks with limits built for agriculture from the convenience of your phone. Additionally, you'll get access to a number of farm management features so you can map your fields, see recent and historical rainfall totals and monthly rainfall reports, view soil maps, futures prices, contracts with automated entry from Bushel-powered grain buyers, create scouting notes, and log input purchases. Get started today by visiting bushelpowered.com/farmers/AgTexas.